back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a high iron vegan broccoli couscous. So this is a great snack that you can have, and let's go ahead and show you these ingredients. First we're going to start off with some raisins. We got some cashews, tomatoes, pumpkin seeds, which is a great source of iron, walnuts, broccoli stalks. You want to get about 3 broccoli stalks. This is a great source of vitamin C, some dashes of salt, and some fajita. Okay, so with that said, let's go ahead and grab our broccoli. Now when it comes to the broccoli, first thing you want to do is go ahead and chop it off the stalk. All right, so just like that. Okay, all right, remove any types of leaves, and then you have the stalk just like that. Okay, and you can just break this apart. All right, just break them apart just a tad bit. And any type of really hard piece, you could put that to the side. You kind of just want the brushes. All right, so we got our broccoli pieces right here, and then what we're going to do is go ahead and use our food processor, all right, to blend it all together. Just like that. All right. Now, one of the great things about broccoli, like I said before, it is a great source of vitamin C. And when it comes to iron absorption, any type of iron food that you have, let's say like these pumpkin seeds, when you blend it up with, or you blend or eat with any type of vitamin C source, it does increase the absorption rate of the iron about 5 times. So let's go ahead and blend this together. All right, so we finished blending them. Now, if you look from the inside, it looks just like a couscous, right? So this is why we call it a broccoli couscous. So you want it just like this. And you can see this is why we chopped off all the stalk, and we just kept the bush so you can get that type of texture, okay? So this is what you want. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and add our raisins, our cashews, our tomato. And with the tomato, you just want a 1/4 piece of the tomato, like a tomato butt. Some our high source of iron, our pumpkin seeds, and also our walnuts. And then you also want to add in your salt. So go ahead and do your couple dashes of salt. Also a couple dashes of fajita. Go ahead and blend again. Go ahead and open it up, look through it again. You want to make sure that everything's kind of chopped up into pieces. If not, you can stir it with a spoon or by hand. I recommend using a spoon. All right, just to mix it up a tad bit. And it looks perfectly fine, looks pretty chopped up. All the nuts and everything are evenly chopped, so this is a good sign of a good mix. All right. And then you could go ahead and try it just to make sure it doesn't require any more seasoning. Put maybe a little bit more fajita, salt. Try again. Just a lot better. So let's go ahead and take this out. Now, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and make a dressing for it. So this is going to be a pistachio dressing. So we're going to use some cashews, some pistachio, and a cup of almond milk. And we're going to put this into a Vitamix, okay? So you want the pistachio dressing to be completely liquefied. And we're gonna go ahead and add this into another cup. And then what we're gonna do is go ahead and build our dish. And this is a great side dish or main dish if you like. But I like to use it as like almost like a side dish or an appetizer. All right. And then you can get your pistachio dressing. Just like that. All right, y'all, so this is how you make a high iron vegan broccoli couscous. So let's go ahead and try it out. Tastes really good, really like it. And like I said before, great source of iron, great source of vitamin C. If you want to try this recipe, I highly recommend it. Now when it comes to the recipes, you can check that in the description box down below. As well, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and tag your friends as well in the comment section. With that said, my name is Corinne Sutton. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.